Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by. If today is your first time, hi, I appreciate you stopping by to support me. Today's video is all about this beautiful spring twist from Do's hair. They sent 6 packs of this hair for me and I couldn't remember to count the pieces in a pack, but I know that this 6 pack is going to be enough to make a beautiful hair for you. They added a crochet pin. This is a big size crochet pin. They also added 2 clips and beads, to beautify the hair after crocheting it. The first thing I'll do now is to use my olive leave-in conditioner. I love to use this because it will help to soften my hair. My hair is still a virgin hair and is too short for anything, but I'm going to try my best to make sure that I give this hair my best. So guys, after spraying it, combing the hair is very easy. After combing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and use my cotton comb to section my hair down. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and braid the first hair, then connect it with the second one, finally to the third one. After the third one, I will braid it down to the back. But what I'm considering here is, because my hair is short, I don't know if it's going to be firm enough to stay while crocheting. So what I'm planning to do is to add extension hair so that it will be firm enough to carry the crochets. So guys, I'm not going to show much on how I braid this hair because I did most of the braids off camera, so bear with me. So this is the final look of the hair and is amazing. Next thing I'll do is to use my edge control to lay the front down in preparation for the crocheting. So guys, this is 1 pack out of the 6 pack sent to me by Do's Hair, and unboxing it, you are going to see this shiny beautiful spring twist from Do's Hair, and is 12 inches in length. I love this. One thing I love most about this is that you can reuse it after the first use. In order to crochet it, I don't want it very tiny. I want it to just be on the moderate side. So I'm going to like join two together. So to start your crocheting, just dip your crochet pin inside your hair cream, remove it so that it will be easy for you to pass the crochet pin onto your head. Pick the hair and open it very well at the very beginning. Pass the ending parts and bring it out. Then another thing you are supposed to do is to tight every strand of the hair so that it will be firm. After that, then you start to twist the hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, all information about this hair is in the description box below. Do check it out. And for those of you supporting me on my hair review, thank you so much. I am grateful and I appreciate you guys. This is the final look of the hair. If you love this hair, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and when you do, remember to turn on the notification bell, because in that way you will get notification whenever we drop a new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.